Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issues on your BLACKSHARK Pad SE. So first thing that we can do is enable the power saving mode, which we can easily do by going to the control center and finding battery saver tile right here. Just tap on it and it will enable power saving mode, which will ensure you a couple of extra hours on a single charge. Then the next thing that we can do is go to settings, open battery menu. Now if you don't want to use the battery saver, you can disable it, and instead you can go to Battery Manager and turn on this feature instead, which will also try its best to reduce the battery draining on your device. Besides, scroll down to DuraSpeed on the sidebar and also enable this feature, which will reduce the background activity for the applications on your device, which we can also do manually, and it might as well be more effective. Now, to manually restrict background applications activity, we have to go to battery, then select battery usage, and here we'll be able to see which applications use the most battery in the background. Now, if you see some application that you don't need at the top of this list, what you can do is tap on it and then disallow background usage for it by switching its toggle to the left. And this way you can repeat this process for each application you don't want to abuse your battery in the background. Besides, to reduce the battery draining, we can go to display and either enable the dark theme, which is very effective, or we can also reduce the brightness level by selecting brightness level and lowering this slider to around a quarter of the maximum value. And besides, we can also reduce some sound effects that also cause our battery to drain by going to sound and vibration, scrolling down to vibration and haptics and disabling them fully. We can also disable all of these sounds we have at the bottom of this list, which will also slightly increase the battery's lifetime. Then the next thing that we have to do is check our storage and make sure that we have enough storage in our device. Just make sure that you have at least 10% of your total storage free. And if you don't, you can either transfer your data to an SD card or free up your storage space by going to Files application and deleting the apps and files that you do not need. And lastly, go to your settings, check your system settings. No, not system. I always mistake this too. About tablet settings. Go to system updates here and check for available updates. Of course, to do that, you're also gonna have to connect your device to the Wi-Fi. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.